Hey stranger, stranger babe. This is the fire truck I was showing you before. This time I put batteries in it, just like I'm gonna do with that train. So I'm gonna let you check it out again. This is for whoever enjoy, fire trucks. So I'm going to press these buttons and see how it acts. Yep, batteries are in now. Here we go. Ooh, that's cool. Let's do the middle button. The middle one. Let's do the middle again. Okay, now we're gonna do the other one. Okay. All right, well, looks like the lights up at the front of the fire truck is doing fine. I'm not sure if these were supposed to light up, but it would have been really cool if they did. But shoot, the sound effects, they're on point. All right, this is the fire truck. And next time I'm going to show you the train. And like in the last video, I got a train. I'm gonna put some batteries in there. I'm gonna press this again. I wonder if this light's supposed to light up. Oh, it just seemed like this. It'll look like only these two up here. It's a little dusty. I'm gonna dust it off now. I got the batteries in. And yeah, this is it, y'all. All juiced up. And tell me what you think about it. Bye, stranger. A stranger babe out.